Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating templates in Webflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable creating templates in Webflow, start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to create the template. Go to the project settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Navigate to the custom code tab within the project settings. Look for the section labeled head code. In the head code section, add the necessary code snippet to enable templates. This snippet should include the specific configuration for your template functionality. Ensure that you double-check the code for any typos or errors. After adding the code snippet, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your modifications. Next, go back to the main project dashboard. Select the Pages panel on the left side of the interface. In the Pages panel, look for an option to create a new template page. Click on that Add Page button to start creating your new template. Choose Template as the page type in the dialog that appears. Give your new template a relevant name that reflects its purpose. Once you've created the template page, you can start designing it. Add elements like headings, images, and buttons as needed. Make sure to configure dynamic content areas within the template for added functionality. After designing, click on the Publish button to make your template live. You can now use this template for creating new pages within your project. To create a new page from your template, go back to the Pages panel. Select your newly created template and choose the option for creating a new page. Fill in the details for the new page and hit Create. Your new page will now inherit the design and structure from your template. Repeat this process as needed to create additional templates for your project. With these steps completed, you have successfully enabled template creation in Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.